Hey guys, what's up? So in this tutorial we are going to discuss the scenario. Like in Ruby you have seen many methods, their name ends with this question mark. So here you can say that tainted question mark, here you can say equal question mark, and there will be others also, real question mark. So these are method names. These are the methods that you can call on one is an integer. So why do we have some methods and their name ending in question mark? Because this is weird for people who come from some other languages background. So first of all, I would like to discuss why is there a method called the methods. So in Ruby everything is an object. So if you want to know like what are all the methods that I can call on that object, then you can simply just call this method methods on that object, and it will return you an array of all the methods that we can call on that method. So here one. So what are all the methods that I can call on one? So to get that list, I just called one dot methods, and this is an array that you got. This is an array of all the methods that we can call on this. So I'm going to test it. So this is the first method that I got. Okay, so it's like this is the way. So now I have got the list of all the methods, and in that list I can see that there are some methods their name can end like in question mark. So why do we do that? So it's actually a kind of convention in Ruby. So whenever you write any method and that method is going to return you a boolean value, okay, then in Ruby it is suggested that you end your method name with question mark. Okay, so here it's like real, so it will give you a boolean value. Okay, when you will call it like yes, true. Okay, so this is the way. So whenever a method returns either true or false, then in Ruby it is suggested that you name your method which ends with a question mark. Again, there is a method here called non-zero. Okay, so let's a is equal to 1 and I call a dot non-zero. Okay, it's 1 and a is equal to 0, a dot non-zero. Okay, so it's like, so I mean it's not that kind of mandatory that the name of the method, I mean which ends with question mark, is going to return you true or false, but I mean whenever, I mean this is kind of a convention. This is not a requirement that you have to do it. This is a convention. So many times you will see your method ending with question mark, then people will believe that okay, this method is either going to give me true or false. So that is the way Ruby works. So that is why you kind of see this weird method names in Ruby. Okay, so that was all that I wanted to discuss with you. So here you can see other methods also, 0, odd, even. So if I say like a dot 0 true, a dot odd false, so all these methods they will return either true or false. I'm not sure why non-zero is not returning true or false. What could be the reason here? But I mean this is the basic funda. Question mark means either return value will be either true or false. So that was all. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.